Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, linear equations in two variables. This is the next chapter after applications of trigonometry. The next one which you are supposed to do according to your syllabus. Now pair of linear equations in two variables. So what are linear equations? What do you mean by linear equations? You have done some problems of this type in your ninth class, children. So, linear equations means equations whose graph represents straight lines. Straight lines. Linear means lines. If they represent in straight lines, they are called as linear equations. Now, linear equations in two variables. So now we are going to talk about linear equations in two variables. In two variables means what? You may take them as x and y. So suppose you have got an equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We call this as a linear equation which is giving a straight line when you represent, if a, b represent some numbers, then c also real numbers, then this if it gives you a straight line, then we will be calling it as linear equation in two variables. In this, a will not be equal to 0 or b will not be equal to 0 or a square plus b square will not be equal to 0. Those are called linear equations in two variables. Now we are going to talk about, our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. So now we are going to talk about pair. Pair means set of two. Pair of linear equations in two variables. In this case, how are the equations represented? First equation will be represented as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. We are writing 1 means first equation. And what is the second equation? The second equation represents a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So, pair of linear equations means these two equations you are going to use to find the solutions of the sum. That means to find the value of x as well as to find the value of y. We require two equations, children. In one equation, it is not possible to find out until and unless one value is given. If you want to find out the values of these two, x and y, you definitely require two. In this chapter, you are going to talk about various types of this pair of linear equations in two variables, and also how to solve these two variables pair of equations graphically. And then you have got elimination method, you have got substitution method and all. So one by one we will be doing. Now at present, this is a small introduction. We are going to talk about types of equations. Just copy this, children. Now let us say about types of equations. Types of equations. You are going to talk about actually three types. What is the first type of equation? First type of equation is called consistent equation. Consistent and independent. Consistent and independent equations. Consistent and independent equations. So what are these consistent and independent equations? That means if two equations, if the given two equations have, if the given two inequations have an unique solution. That means, what do you mean by this? Only one common point. Then they are called consistent and independent equations. So when you are drawing graph, in graph they are represented as in this way. This is a graph. So the two lines are like this. They will be having one solution. These are the two lines that are obtained by two given linear equations, and then with these two lines will meet at a single point. They are called as consistent and independent equations. And the second one is inconsistent. Inconsistent equations. Now, what are these inconsistent equations? That means if the given two equations have no solutions, then they are called inconsistent equations. These inconsistent equations, they are in graph, they form parallel lines. Why? Because no common point is there. So if you take x and y axis, the two lines form parallel to each other. They don't intersect. If they intersect at one point, they are consistent and independent equations. If they do not intersect, that means there is no common point, then the two lines are called the pair of linear equations are called inconsistent equations, and there won't be any solution at all. We have another part, children. If you copy, I'll do the third one. Now, the third one is consistent and dependent. Consistent and dependent equations. What are these? Consistent and dependent equations. Uh, if the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions, then they are called as consistent and dependent equations. They have infinitely many solutions. That means in graph, they form coincident lines. So, if you take graph, in graph, if you get one line like this, another line will form upon it only. So, we will be taking two arrows like this. This is one line, this is one line. So, they form same one line. If you draw upon it only, you are going to get the other one, that is called as inconsistent lines. Children, straight line, you will be getting two straight lines you are going to get. Please note it down. These are different types of equations which you are going to get in this chapter. Now let us do this sums, children. In page 83, since these are all graph, I cannot show it on the whiteboard, so I have done it in the graph. So let me explain. First question is, represent the following system of equations graphically and comment on the solutions. So the equations that are given to you are, first problem, x minus 2y is equal to 0 is one equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20 is the other equation. So you are going to get two lines, for this one line in the graph. So let me first solve to get the ordered pairs. X minus 2y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2y or y is equal to x by 2. This type of sums you have done it in your 9th class, children. So now what I have done, y is equal to x minus 2 I have taken. I have allotted some values for x. So suppose if I take x value as 2, then what is y value? X by 2, 2 by 2, that is 1. So the ordered pair is 2 and 1. So x is 2, y is 1. Now if x I have taken as 4, then y is equal to 4 by 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 2, 4 comma 2. So the ordered pair is 4 comma 2. And I have taken x value as 6. If x is 6, y is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. That is 6 comma 3 is the ordered pair. Okay, so I have got the ordered pairs here for one equation, and the other equation that is given to us is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. That means 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x, y is equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. So when I bifurcate it, I will be getting 20 by 4 minus 3x by 4. So 4 5s are 20. So I got y is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4x. So I have allotted some values for x. So y is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4x. So if I take x value as 8, then y is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4 into 8. 4 2s are. So 5 minus 6, 3 2s are 6. That means minus 1. So 8 comma minus 1 is the ordered pair that I have got. I have written here 8 comma minus 1. Now I have allotted x value as 0. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4 into 0. That is 5. That is 0 comma 5. These are the ones. Now this ones I have drawn in the graph. This is the graph that I have drawn, children. In this, scale is, I have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. It's very, very important, children. Without writing the scale, don't do the graph. Now, see here. 1 2 3 4 1 unit means 1 centimeter 1 unit means same 1 2 3 4 numbers I have to draw on write on x-axis, and the same way on y-axis. So what is the ordered pair? I have got 2 comma 1. So on the x-axis this is 2 comma 1, x-axis 2 and y-axis 1, and the next one that I have got 4 comma 2. So here this is 4 and this is 2, 4 comma 2, and the third one is 6 comma 3. So I have taken here 6 and 3. So all these I have joined, I got a straight line in this way. So I have to write. So this is important, children. You have to write x minus 2y is equal to 0 is the equation. Now similarly, I have taken the second equation also here. On the second equation, I have got 8 comma minus 1. X is 8. So x is 8 here. Y minus 1. So minus 1 is here. So this is minus 1. This is the point I got 8 comma minus 1. Next, what I have got? 0 comma 5. X is 0 and y is 5. So I have joined these 2 points. I have got a line. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20 is the equation for which I got this line. Now, these 2 lines are intersecting at a point. This becomes the solution of these 2 equations. What is this point? X value 4, y value 2, 4 comma 2. So the solution is 4 comma 2. That means how many solutions these equations are having? Only one solution. Already we have discussed it now, children. A single solution, unique solution, single solution. That is, those are called consistent and independent equations. So the same solution I have written here. You see, the equations meet at a point 4 comma 2. So they have only one solution. So they are consistent and independent equations. So the whole problem graph comes in this way, children. So I want you to do it in your graph book so that you will be getting exactly in this way. I hope I am clear. I hope I am clear with this, children. So this is the graph I have got. Please note it down. Now the same, do this second one, children. You have got 2 equations, x plus y is equal to 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. So I took x plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus x. Plus x when it goes there, 2 minus x. So y is equal to 2 minus x. I took x value as a 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So 2 comma 0 is the ordered pair. And again I took x as 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So 4 comma minus 2 is the ordered pair. I took x as 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 0 comma 2. These are the ordered pairs I have got, and x and y axis values I have got. Now the second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. 2y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x by 2. That means 4 by 2 minus 2x by 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 minus x. Y is equal to 2 minus x. So I took x as 0, y is 2. So 0 comma 2 here. I took x as 2. then y is equal to 2 minus 2, 0, 2 comma 0, and I took x as 4, y is equal to 2 minus 4, that is 4 minus 2, I have got children. So actually here itself you can understand x is 0, y is 2 in both the cases. X is 2, y is 0, same in both the cases. X is 4, y is minus 2, same in both the cases. The same values, if you represent here, you are going to get only these 3 points, children, because they are same. 2 comma 0 is this one, 0 comma 2 is this one, and 4 comma minus 2 is this. So I am getting straight line. This straight line is the line that I am getting for two equations. One is x plus y is equal to 2 and another one is 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. And the scale that I have taken here is on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Now since these all both the lines are coinciding, solutions are infinite. So when solutions are infinite, just now we have talked about they are consistent and they are consistent and dependent equations. So the solution that I have written here is the two equations coincide each other. Coincide means lie one upon the other, and hence they have infinitely many solutions. So they are consistent and dependent or coincident lines. This is the second bit problem, children. So when you do it, you will be getting in this way. This is the problem you will be getting, children. Now third problem, 2x minus y is equal to 4, 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. 2x minus y is equal to 4, 2x minus 4, 4 I have brought it here, is equal to y, minus y has gone here, plus. So y is equal to 2x minus 4. So I have taken y is equal to 2x minus 4. I have given x value as 0. So y is minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4. I have given x value as 2. Y is 2 into 2 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. That is 2 comma 0 is here. And I took x is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 comma 4. So these are the ordered pairs I have got for this equation. And second equation is 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. That is 4x minus 6 is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 4x minus 6 by 2. That means 4x by 2 minus 6 by 2. That is y is equal to 2x minus 3. If y is 2x minus 3, what is x, children? I have taken x value as 0. Then y value is minus 3. 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 comma minus 3. I have taken x value as a 2. Then y value is 4 minus 3, that is 2 comma 1. And when I have taken x value as 4, I have taken y is equal to 4 are 8 minus 3, 5, 4 comma 5. So these ones I have to represent it in the graph. So again here on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So I have drawn the x and y axes. Afterwards I have represented the lines, children. First one 2 comma 1, so this is 2 and this is 1, and the next one is 4 comma 5. This is 4, this is 5. So see, I have got a line, straight line in this way. 0 comma minus 3 also is there here. Next one equation 0 comma minus 4 is 1 and 2 comma 0 is 1 and 4 comma 4 is this 4 to 4. So this is another line. So see how these two lines, they have no solutions. They are parallel to each other. That means they will never meet. So there are no solutions here. So what I have written, the two lines are parallel. There are no solutions. So the lines are inconsistent lines. So this is the graph that you will be getting for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, second problem in do this, same page. Represent the pair of linear equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 graphically and comment on the solutions. So I took x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. That means 2y is equal to 4 minus 4 becomes plus 4 here. X plus x becomes minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x by 2. That means y is equal to 4 by 2 minus x by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So y is equal to 2 minus x by 2 I have got. Now I have taken different values here. First I have taken x value as 2. If x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 by 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1. 2 comma 1 is the ordered pair. And x is equal to 4 I have taken. So y is equal to 2 minus 4 by 2. For 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 minus 2, that is 0. So 4 comma 0. So 2 ordered pairs I have taken here. Now let us see the second equation. Second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So 4y is equal to 12 minus 2x. So y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 4. That is 12 by 4 minus 2x by 4. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. So I took x value as 2. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 by 2. That is 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 comma 2 is the ordered pair. And I have taken x value as 4. So that y is equal to 3 minus 4 by 2. That is 3 minus 2. That is 1. 4 comma 1 I have got. So these values I have substituted here in the graph. So the scale is x-axis contains 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So the graphs, if you see 2 comma 1, 2 and 1, 1.4 comma 0. So this is the line that I have got for the equation x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And for the second one, 2 comma 2 is this one, and 4 comma 1 is this line. This is the line that I have got for 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So these are also parallel lines, so there are no solutions for it. So what you will say, two lines formed have no solution, so they are parallel. The equations are inconsistent equations. I hope I am clear, children. You can see even this problem you'll be getting in this way. These are the two sums that you have got into this. With this I am concluding my topic today. In the next class I will be doing the next part.